Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a face-off between two popular steam mops, the Bissell Steam Mop and the Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Which one will emerge as the champion of cleanliness? Let's find out. When it comes to price, the Bissell Steam Mop is priced at $102, while the Steam and Go 10-in-1 is a bit more budget-friendly at $99. Reviewers appreciate that the Bissell offers great value for its performance, especially for homes with pets. However, many also find the Steam and Go to be a fantastic deal for its multifunctionality, making it a steal at its price point. In terms of functionality, the Bissell Steam Mop shines with its ability to sanitize hard floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness on various flooring types. On the flip side, the Steam and Go 10-in-1 is celebrated for its versatility, able to handle floors, tiles, grout, and even upholstery. Reviewers love the adjustable steam power knob and multiple attachments, which make it a true cleaning powerhouse. Design-wise, the Bissell Steam Mop has a sleek appearance but is noted for its basic look. Reviewers find it functional but not particularly stylish. The Steam and Go, however, features a detachable base and flexible attachments, making it much more adaptable. Many users liken its design to that of a Swiss Army knife, perfect for various cleaning tasks. When it comes to reach, the Bissell boasts a generous 25-foot power cord, which users find convenient for maneuvering around their homes. The Steam and Go has a slightly shorter 20-foot cord, but many reviewers appreciate its lightweight design, allowing for easier handling. Both are effective, but the Bissell edges out slightly in this category due to its longer reach. Lastly, let's discuss additional features. The Bissell Steam Mop includes a spot boost brush, which reviewers find immensely helpful for tough messes. Meanwhile, the Steam and Go offers a dual tank system for water and detergent, a feature praised by many for its convenience. Reviewers enjoy the range of attachments that come with the Steam and Go, making it adaptable for various cleaning needs. Overall, the Bissell Steam Mop receives high marks for its sanitizing capabilities and effectiveness on hard floors, particularly for pet owners. Reviewers love its lightweight design and ease of use. On the other hand, the Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is favored for its versatility and efficiency in tackling multiple surfaces, though some users have noted durability concerns. Which steam mop do you think is the best for your home? Will it be the Bissell Steam Mop, known for its sanitizing strength, or the Steam and Go 10-in-1 with its multifunctional prowess? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons. Check out the product links in the description.